Welcome, I'm Jen Goldberg, your librarian. In this video series, I'm going to show you how to use library databases for literature searches and systematic reviews. After watching these tutorials, you will learn how to search for research articles faster and more efficiently. You will also learn how to select the most relevant databases for your topic, strategies for selecting the best keywords, revise and refine your search results, request articles via interlibrary loan, search citations, and other advanced search strategies. Before we begin, let me show you how to contact me at any stage of your research whenever you have questions. You can email me here or book an online appointment with me here. If you don't see availability on my calendar that fits your schedule, email me and I will find a time that works best for you. You can reach out as many times as you need. I'm here to help you. Now let's get started with our research here on the library homepage. Library search is often the first place to go to see if there's any background information on your topic. However, you may receive too many results and feel a bit overwhelmed by them. Let's try it. Wow, 40,000 results is certainly a lot. This high number is because library search searches all of our databases, our entire book collection, and the collections of other libraries we're in a consortium with. To narrow down and streamline this overwhelming search, I recommend exploring our discipline-specific databases directly, as well as breaking down your research question into searchable keywords databases will understand. In my next video, I will show you how to navigate to the database list and select the best databases for your topic. Stay tuned.